Hi, welcome to KP Wellness Path. This is Aruna, Senior Yoga Instructor from KP's team. So today I am going to show you some asanas for flexibility. అంటే పర్టికులర్గా ఇవే ఆసనాస్ అంటే నేను చెప్పలేను. వన్ ఆఫ్ దోస్ ఐఎమ్ షోయింగ్ యూ. ఓకే, ఇఫ్ యూ ప్రాక్టీస్ ఎవ్రీ డే దీస్ పర్టికులర్ ఆసనాస్ ఇన్ యువర్ డైలీ యోగా ప్రాక్టీస్, మీరు బాడీ ఫాస్ట్గా ఫ్లెక్సిబుల్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, సో హియర్ ఆర్ సమ్ ఆసనాస్ ఫర్ యూ. Yeah, from table position, first you have to do cat and cow stretch. Inhale, arch back, look up, chin up. Exhale, round back, chin to the chest. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. ఇది మీరు డైలీ 20 times ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ హియర్ forward bending, seated forward bending. So stretch your both the hands forward with your spine straight. Raise your both the hands up. Inhale. Exhale, slowly bend forward from your lower back and hold. Hold your toe. Look at the toes and stay for some time. This is good for your hamstring stretch. If you have any stiffness of your hamstrings, this stretch is very, very helpful. And stay maximum as much as you can. And slowly while you are inhaling, raise your both the hands up, release the hands. Okay, so again, wide angle forward bending. Stretch your both the legs wide open. Raise your both the hands up. Inhale. Exhale, slowly bend forward and stay. First day you cannot bend like this, but going forward, if you practice every day, you can bend forward maximum. This stretch is good for your inner thighs flexibility. If you have any stiffness of your inner thighs, it will be helpful. Stay maximum time again. And slowly, while you are inhaling, raise your both the hands up, release the hands. So these are all little dynamic stretches. People who is having already practiced yoga, they can do this. Okay, this is butterfly position. You have to hold your both the toes with your both the hands. Flap your thighs with spine straight. Flap your thighs maximum time. మీరు ఒక టైమింగ్ పెట్టుకోవచ్చు ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ పోస్చర్ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ యువర్ స్ట్రెంగ్త్. ఓకే, నౌ రిలీజ్. నెక్స్ట్ పొజిషన్, మౌంటైన్ పొజిషన్. Hold this position 1 minute. After this, from here, right leg forward, in between your both the palms. From here, you have to push your back and stretch your leg back and hold. And slowly inhale, leg forward. And again right leg back. Now left leg forward. You have to do with both the legs. And stay maximum time again. This is also good for this hamstrings stretch. And release. Okay, one more dynamic pose I am going to show you for your flexibility. So from table position, mountain, raise your right leg up, bend your knee, pigeon pose. Drop your knee between your both the hands. Raise your both the hands in Namaskara Mudra and hold for some time. And slowly, while you are in exhaling, bend forward and hold. And slowly, while you are inhaling, raise your both the hands, release the hands. Now let's do with left leg. Raise your hands, stay for some time. Slowly forward bend. And release. So, some of the asanas I have shown you now. So, few more asanas will be there for flexibility and sequences also there. For more details, you can contact us. Thank you.